Working on a Premiere Pro project and someone sent you a marker file? These little files carry timeline markers that can save hours of editing work. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you exactly how to import and use these Premiere Pro marker files. The easiest fixes come first, but I want you ready for the ultimate solution, the magic utility that specializes in the marker format. Details below. Marker files are marker data export files from Adobe Premiere Pro containing timeline markers with timestamps, labels, comments, colors, and duration information. They enable editors to share marked edit points, chapter markers, and annotation data between Premiere Pro projects and team members. Marker files use an XML-based format, storing marker attributes, including timecode, position, marker name comments, color label, type designation, and duration values. Each marker entry records frame-accurate timeline position data compatible with Premiere Pro's marker import and export system. For direct reading of marker content, the best choice is Adobe Premiere Pro, developed by Adobe. Windows cannot validate the meaning of the data, so incorrect edits can cause issues. Windows supports minimal insight into data files, so proper viewing depends on the target application. The easiest way to identify the error source is testing. Right-click the marker file and hit Open With. Use Adobe Premiere Pro if installed. If it's not present, choose another program. We must find the correct software handler. If you still can't open the marker file, it's okay. The system is rejecting the file for specific technical reasons. Before we apply the universal fix, let's review the most common causes of the failure. First, importing markers. In Adobe Premiere Pro, open your project timeline and navigate to the Markers panel. Use the panel menu to select Import Markers and browse to your marker file. Premiere Pro places all markers at their designated timecode positions on the timeline with labels, colors, and comments fully intact. Next, editing marker. Data. Open the marker file in a text editor like Notepad++ or Visual Studio Code to view and edit the XML marker data directly. Modify marker names, timecodes, comments, and color assignments, then save the file. Re-import the edited marker file into Premiere Pro to apply your changes to the timeline. Finally, exporting your own markers. In Premiere Pro, add markers to your timeline using the M key, then double-click each marker to add names, comments, and color labels. Open the Markers panel and use the panel menu to select Export Markers to create a marker file. Share this file with collaborators to transfer your marked edit points between projects. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.